So you need to find this sweet spot in the middle, your practice zone. Your practice zone is your growth zone. This way you make sure that you find adequate materials for your level, and it is both motivating and you actually enjoy the process. Okay, so always have this graph in mind when you're evaluating the materials. Whether is it too easy? Ask yourself, or maybe isn't it too difficult or too challenging? Okay, be critical with the materials that you are bringing to your study room. Here comes the fun part. I have prepared some pieces of different accents. Very often we are exposed to one particular accent. So, for example, a lot of us are exposed to American accent because of Netflix, Hollywood movies, and we consume a lot of content in American English. For a lot of students, this type of English will be the easiest to understand, but it doesn't mean that the examiners will include only American English in your exam. That's not going to be the case. There will be a mix of different accents. And don't forget that sometimes there can be some background noises as well. So I need to get used to listening to both speeches when nobody's interrupting, but also some kind of recordings with the background noises, because this is what makes it even more challenging. Anyway, right now we are going to listen to 6 recordings. I would like you to use the PDF that is included in this masterclass and circle how difficult is the accent that you're hearing. Number 1 will be very difficult. Okay, this means that you couldn't understand almost anything. And 10 will be that you understood perfectly what was said. Okay, and everything in the middle, it's up to you. Okay, are you ready? Let's listen to the first recording.